Greetings, this is Dr. Rizwan Sheikh. Today we will delve into the fascinating world of drone technology, taking a closer look at the components that make these machines tick and how they operate. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are marvels of modern technology. They consist of several key parts that allow them to perform their tasks efficiently. The heartbeat of any drone is its motor, providing the thrust that propels it into the skies. The brain, on the other hand, is the flight controller board, overseeing all operations and ensuring everything runs smoothly. The propellers are the drone's wings, slicing through the air and keeping the machine aloft. The radio transmitter serves as the drone's voice, communicating with the operator on the ground. The drone's lifeblood is the battery, powering all electronics and distributing power through the cables. And finally, the landing gear, the drone's feet, enabling safe and stable landings after every flight. But drones are more than just a collection of parts. They're versatile tools that have the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from agriculture to healthcare. They can map crops, analyze soil, manage irrigation, and even control pests in agriculture. But today we are focusing on a particularly promising application of drones: emergency medical assistance during Hajj. Every year, 4 to 5 million pilgrims undertake the sacred journey to Mecca, Mina, Arafat, Muzdalifa, and Jamarat. Many face challenges due to the long distances and hot temperatures, particularly the elderly, women, and those with health conditions. This is where drones can step in, providing vital emergency and medical services. They can deliver medical supplies, relay real-time information to medical teams, and even transport small medical equipment. They can reach places that are difficult for humans to access quickly, reducing response times and potentially saving lives. In conclusion, drones are not just high-tech toys. They are powerful tools with the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. From the components that make up a drone to their operation and potential applications, particularly in providing emergency services during Hajj, drones represent an exciting frontier in technology. This is Dr. Rizwan Sheikh, and we've just explored the fascinating world of drones. The future is here, and it's hovering above us.